Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily understand the Voyager mission. We'll explore these two remarkable spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, which embarked on an incredible journey decades ago. Their primary goal was to conduct close-up studies of the outer planets, providing humanity with unprecedented views and data from the far reaches of our solar system, truly a monumental achievement. The spacecraft took advantage of a rare planetary alignment, enabling a grand tour of the outer solar system. Voyager 2 became the only probe to visit all four gas giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These flybys revealed stunning details, including active volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Io and complex ring systems around Saturn. After completing their planetary encounters, both Voyagers continued their epic journey, eventually crossing the heliopause into interstellar space. Voyager 1 is currently over 24 billion kilometers from Earth, making it the most distant human-made object. These probes are sending back unique data about the environment between stars, expanding our understanding of the cosmos. A truly unique aspect of the Voyagers is the Golden Record, a time capsule of Earth's sounds and images. This record is intended as a message to any intelligent extraterrestrial life that might encounter the spacecraft in the distant future. The Voyager mission's incredible longevity and scientific contributions continue to inspire generations, pushing the boundaries of human exploration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.